Artlist.io.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Zeba Sherifff. I'm from Bangalore and I live in Bombay. I've been living here for the last 4.5 years. I'm currently in my third apartment and I've just started looking for my fourth.
Music licensing.
So I decided since I've started vlogging now, I will vlog this journey in a separate series. Because house hunting in Mumbai is fun. It's fun. Yeah, so if y'all are interested in joining me in this journey, which is going to be super fun, house hunting, I'm going to take you through all the different apartments that I see. Hopefully I won't have to see too many and I find one super quick in my budget. I'm looking for either a sexy one-bedroom apartment within like 65,000 or a two-bedroom apartment in like 120 ka range, within 120 ka range, because if I move out on my own, that'll be great because I feel like I'm ready to live on my own. But on the other hand, I also love living with Varnika Raheja, who is like my little baby sister. I love her. I'm currently living with her. But I mean, she's gone back home for like a couple of months for some work situation. So we'll just see. If I don't find a one-bedroom apartment, then I mean we'll have to block like a two-bedroom one, because all the one-bedroom apartments are in the older buildings and they're quite like dingy, and I want something on a higher floor because currently we live on the 12th floor and the view is just amazing. You can see the sea at a distance. You get to see the most beautiful sunsets from here. So I've kind of gotten spoiled a little bit.
Music licensing.
So yeah, like even on my previous apartments, not that the view was phenomenal or anything like that, but they were lovely apartments with like pretty decent private views while not being so private. So I'm excited to share this journey with all of y'all. I'm right now just gonna sit and edit my vlogs. I've been recording for the last 2 weeks. I think I'm gonna go day by day, edit it to the next day, figure out in which direction these vlogs are headed in. But as for my house hunting vlog and then shifting and moving and everything, I decided to make a separate series like I was telling you all. So I think it's gonna be super fun. At this point I feel like I'm repeating myself. So
Music licensing reimagined.
Hi Geeta! I am just waiting to hear back from my broker. He sent me like this apartment and I'm really liking it. It checks a lot of my boxes. It checks a lot of my boxes, and the budget's also like it's a little above what my budget is, but I mean I think it's fine to stretch it to that because my requirements are also as such. But I'm excited because like over the last 1-2 months, the apartment listings that I've checked have been absolutely ridiculous. Like I don't know if you're familiar with what apartments in Bombay are like. So tiny, but I've been so lucky. Like right from my first apartment in Bombay, I've had really cute and spacious apartments for Bombay standards. So like each apartment had like its unique quality. I'll show you guys the videos. I need to find the videos and then I'll like show it to you. I've had some very cool apartments, and currently I'm staying in like this 3-bedroom apartment in Almeida Park, and it is super spacious. It's nice. I'm gonna miss this space situation, but I'm excited to see where I go next. I feel like this entire year I'd sort of been in like a bit of a funk
reimagined
and had not realized. You'll have to watch my weekly or daily vlogs. I still haven't figured it out. I've just been shooting, but yeah, you'll have to check out my regular vlogs to know more about that story. But long story short, ever since I feel like I shifted my energy, like my internal emotional state, things have just been falling into place and working out, and I absolutely love it.
Artlist
Like I've been
IO.
getting better listings, and yeah, this is the first apartment that I've really wanted to like go see because it's about budget. It looks kind of like decently spacious. The bathrooms look nice. I like the fittings. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's see. I need to move out by October 10th. That's the deadline.
Music
And today
licensing
is
reimagined.
September 20th. And I have to go to Bangalore today because I've got to get my braces removed. Hopefully they come out within the next week, 10 days. And it's also a very old friend's baby's first birthday, and I'm going to be meeting her after years. So have to go back to Bangalore. I also have this house hunting situation to do, so I'm gonna figure it out. Something hit my
Artlist
face. My god, dust mites. This is what happens when I come back after a long time, even though I have my apartment like clean. My lovely Geeta does it, but little one sneaking here and there. I'm contemplating if I should do makeup and go or no. Maybe I should do like
Music
a little
licensing
freshen
reimagined.
up in the evening before I have to leave to the airport. Unpack and pack my suitcase again. It's filled with like makeup and hairstyling stuff right now. So yeah. Let me get started. It's already like it's 11 o'clock. Let's go.
Artlist IO.
So today is the 20th of September. I quickly, oh my god, the sea looks so pretty. I hope my next apartment has a sea view as well. I really want a sea view. I love watching the sunset. So a sea view where I can see the sunsets from.
Music
Hopefully I'll be
licensing
able to see the sunrise
reimagined.
as well. So like an east and west facing apartment. How beautiful would that be? Oh, I have my gardener in the house. I'm making him do all of just like the monthly check. I think I have like what is that growing there? I feel like I had 4 of these. I have to go back to my videos and check.
Artlist IO.
Strange situation. But I mean, my bougainvilleas are growing super pretty. But I think I'd also like a nice balcony space to keep all of my plants. I'm just waiting to hear back from my broker about whether my profile
Music
gets
licensing
accepted or
reimagined.
not by the owner. As soon as it gets accepted, then I can go see the house. And it's semi-furnished apparently, which is great. But the pictures that I got showed that it was fully furnished. But apparently those are old pictures. That's okay. Let's go see where it's at right now. Hi! Lots of things happening. See ya. Geeta is such a vibe. I love it. Hello, Geeta. She's gonna help me
Artlist
pack and
IO.
unpack. Let's go.
दीदी आप अकेले तो बहुत सामान है करते करते ना आपके हालत हो
मैं कितने सालों से अकेले रह रही हूँ पता है इसलिए इतना सारा सामान है. So I basically have to unpack and pack because I have I packed
Music
stuff for like
licensing
Arpana's
reimagined.
wedding, and I was supposed to be doing some shoots in Bangalore, but now because of the time constraint I don't think that's going to happen. And I've already been like crazy overweight traveling up and down, so I'm just gonna like empty this and take what I need to for myself, because I'm literally going to be back I think in like a week or 10 days max. So yeah. Also with like these airlines, who gives like only 15 kgs? Like what? Your suitcase only weighs like about 2-3 kgs, and on top of essentially you're getting 12 to 13 kgs to travel with. Rubbish. And I don't like taking hand carry, lugging things around the BMW. Anyway, packing now. So I'm still sorting out, but I have my skincare. I've got my concealers and foundation, serum. I've got my brushes there. I've got like all my other products of my everyday use stuff. So I've got my lipsticks, kajal liner, gloss tint, brows, everything in here. I think I'm quite sorted. I need to pick out my mascara and lash curler. Where is my mascara?
Music licensing.
I decided I'm gonna do
reimagined.
makeup because otherwise, when I'm feeling like a little tired. I'm not tired, but like my face is looking a bit greasy. It's also probably because I was feeling too lazy to take my skincare out earlier, and instead of applying emollient, I did my hyaluronic acid, and I had my Boroplast. And I applied this, and Boroplast for Bangalore is fine because it's super dry weather, but for Bombay where it's so humid,
Artlist.io.
it's ridiculous. So it's got me a bit sticky. Not liking that feeling, so I figured I'll just do some makeup and get ready to get out. Almost done with my packing. It's just 11:29. I started 11:12.
Music licensing reimagined.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम शौकत भाई बताइए हाँ 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 क्या
Artlist.io.
That's intense. Something to think about. I'll finish doing my makeup and then I think I'm gonna sit and edit my vlog. Okay. I also have to give Chandna an answer back for this
Music
makeup project
licensing
for next
reimagined.
month, for which I have to call the Kryland store. I'll get all that work done and then go look at the house. It's a pretty house. Let's see. Fingers crossed, I know whatever's best for me is gonna happen, so not stressed.
Artlist.io.
Quick moment of appreciation for how my thumbs is looking. Look at this. Now all the bloating goes. During the shadi when I wanted my bloating,
Music
Could not have
licensing
been there.
reimagined.
I was like, ooh. But now, yeah. I like it. And this is after not having worked out for 2 weeks. Done.
Artlist.io.
My driving skills are absolutely amazing because this parking lot is freaking tight. I really have to figure out the storage situation.
Music
on my
licensing
phone. I have to
reimagined.
continue vlogging because now the other phone has gotten full again, and yeah, I'm gonna have to record on this phone. The quality will do since we're outdoorsies and there's natural light. I'm going to look at the house now. Super excited. That's where the lifts come up. This is the entire floor.
Artlist.io.
There's another flat here. There's a room for the maids to use over there. Outside the house. See entrance. We're on the 16th floor. The mirror as soon as you enter, which I like. I don't know about this furniture that they have here.
Music
Someone else is living
licensing
here. They've been living here for
reimagined.
3 years now. If this furniture goes, I could really take this flat. But guys, look at the view. That is Carter Roadside. Lots of natural light in this house. Hello. यहाँ पर is a common washroom. The this is space for the
Artlist
washing
IO.
machine. You come inside, you have the kitchen here. You need all the storage because I got my own. This is one bedroom. This bedroom has an attached toilet.
Music licensing
Ceiling is kinda
reimagined.
messed up right now, but they said they're gonna fix everything. There's geysers and all that. The view again spectacular. You can see Mahim downside. The ceiling is like right there. Should be able to see the sunrise this side. That's what you see downstairs. So there's like privacy also. I love the privacy in this apartment. It's a little tiny, but it's like doable. I think if like one more cupboard or something is added on this wall and just the furniture is rearranged, I think that should be possible. I just don't like that this bedroom is like right next to the
Music
kitchen, but I mean it's
licensing
fine.
reimagined.
But this is a smaller room and but this has a sunrise view. Like you can see the sunrise from that side. Look at how beautiful. But they have this furniture here, which I really, really, really do not want. If they get the furniture out, I could really consider this apartment. It's a little smaller than I'd hoped, but and also the bathroom is outside. Let's see. So if you
Music
just walk up
licensing
one
reimagined.
floor, you have the terrace right here. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Plants के लिए तो बहुत जगह है. Dude, यहाँ से पूरा sunrise दिख जाएगा और यहाँ पर पूरा sunset. और ये हमारे बजट में भी है. खाली एक वो बाथरूम का फर्नीचर का फिगर आउट करने का है.
Artlist IO.
Nice. Oh, this is so nice. Shokat bhai, this is so good. I literally have been meeting Shokat bhai every year for an apartment. This is crazy. But he's awesome. He's
Music
actually the
licensing
best. Understands my
reimagined.
requirements and shows me exactly what I need. देखते हैं क्या होता है इस घर का. So he's saying the furniture situation can be figured out. Like we could dismantle it nicely, pack it up, and just keep it on the stairway here. 16th floor. This is where the cars are parked. That's where we enter from.
Artlist IO.
This is the lobby area. The lifts where we just came from. Hello, it's me. There's a gym in the building, but it's quite useless. This is
Music
the building.
licensing reimagined.
Whoa! That's the building. The street is also super fun. You have Eat around the corner there and my old gym's on the right. Anywho, for now I think this is it for episode 1 because I'm going to Bangalore now in a couple of hours. My flight's at 7:30. It's currently 2:04. So I'm just gonna sit and edit and yeah, continue looking at houses on my phone. I know I'm gonna find something amazing.
Music
It's just a
licensing
matter of when.
reimagined.
Today is September 20th. I've got to move out by October 10th. I am not freaking out at all. See you in the next one.